to my YouTube channel. So today I thought I would do a get my hair done with me. We've been chatting, so I actually haven't had the chance to start this earlier, but we are changing hair, which is exciting. This is new hair. It's very nice and ashy, which is nice. So yeah, we're just at the moment taking out my old hair extensions, and yeah, we're going to change the colour. We're going to have a complete revamp because I'm going actually skiing this week. So yeah, Natalie's first day back.
Hello everybody!
Hello everybody!
Hello!
We said we really wanted to order a Starbucks. No, I want to order a Starbucks. Natalie wants to order a McDonald's.
Guilty.
But yeah, I will keep you all tuned for the rest of the day. Bye! Out. What do we think? Honestly, I don't think my hair wasn't great before, was it? You'll think? So guys, we are now putting on the colour. Extensions were out. I think you saw a brief amount. I think you saw a brief little clip of me without extensions. Obviously, it is a bit sad, but that's what extensions are for.
We move.
We're just putting on colour. We're going to the root again. My extension journey actually started with the balayage, didn't it?
It did.
And yeah, I know lots of people ask me what I actually ask for from my hairdresser. What do you think I asked for?
So what we are doing now is, we do highlights from the root with a root smudge over the top, so it's like a little bit blended and it's not so harsh when your roots come through, and it's quite low maintenance. For those of you that doesn't want to get your hair done every 6 to 8 weeks.
Yeah, but what else am I saying? In Love Island, I did have a balayage. That was balayage vibes.
Yeah.
So it depends what sort of vibe you want to go for. We will show the back of my hair in a minute as well. Obviously, I'm sure that you guys actually know Natalie, but I will link everything in the description of her Instagram, Long Hairdo Care. Is it still 1990?
No, just Long Hairdo Care.
Long Hairdo Care.
And the salon name is LHDC Hair Extension Bar.
On 32 Blackington Road. What a gaff.
Annoyingly, there is scaffolding up right now.
Yeah, not always like that. I'm really proud of you with this salon actually. How cute. Like, look at that neon sign and everything. And the gold mirrors. And the lovely flowers. It's just a bit of a vibe really. So guys, the colour's on. Nice. So we've gone for an ashy root. Well, ashy all over really, but a more ashy brown root, and then lighter, you know, summer's approaching guys, spring vibes, drunk get wavy. So guys, we've put the colour in, as you've seen, and we've just shampooed, conditioned, toned. As you can see, the colour's looking lovely. Obviously hair extensions aren't in, but it's good to know. Guys, this colour match is something else. Look at that. Good job. I've had a bit of a coffee meltdown. I've got a coffee here, as you can all see, and it's black coffee because that is what I've been drinking mostly, although I did have a soya white mocha earlier, but let's not talk about it. And I literally squeezed the cup, the lid came off, it went all over my apron, so now I am going apronless because it's got coffee on it. But we are just putting in the nano bonds now.
We'll get a shot of under the hood.
We will. So I'll be back in just a minute. So guys, this is the Nano Bond. I think this is like the second or third layer, but we are loving. I forgot to say actually, the colour is Sunset Boulevard. So yeah, love, love, love. So guys, Natalie had to quickly pop out. I've got a feeling she might actually be coming back anytime now, but I just thought I would talk to you about my hair. In regards to my hair, because this is a hair video, I am aware I absolutely look crazy right now. We are halfway through putting the extensions in my head, but because this is a hair video, I thought this is a really great opportunity for me to talk about my hair, because I do get a lot of questions. So I actually haven't had extensions forever. So before Love Island, I actually didn't have hair extensions, and just before I went in, I thought, should I really like how they look, but I was in that state that I thought my hair was long and I thought it was fine. So I was like, do I need them? I had voices saying you don't need them. I had other people saying, oh my God, the best decision of your life. So I was like, oh, what should I do? And I just thought, you know what? I'm gonna risk it for a chocolate biscuit and I'm gonna go for it. And honestly, it was the best decision ever. I obviously know people that don't have hair extensions and their hair looks amazing, and you guys are so blessed. So I actually haven't had hair extensions, less than a year I've had them for. So way less than a year actually. I think I actually got them put in June last year. So yeah. What's that? July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February. Okay, 9 months. So that's how long I've had hair extensions for. The first time, obviously, having the hair extensions was the thickest, nicest time. Obviously, my natural hair was probably at its best. Obviously, hair extensions aren't supposed to ruin your natural hair, so it's not, there isn't much of a difference. There isn't actually much of a difference, but obviously, I don't know. Maybe it's because it was the first time actually putting them in. I was like, oh my God, like they felt so heavy. Like the first time I ever put them in, I was like, oh my God, this is so like weird. But I actually ended up absolutely loving them, and I've gone to Natalie at Long Hair Do Care ever since. Yeah, so she's just in Hove Bay. She owns like a little salon, really nice. It's just her at the moment actually, but I did say she needs to get someone else. And yeah, so the hair that I am going with today is Sunset Boulevard. Sorry, I had to think about that for a second. But to be honest, I've literally had so many shades from Beauty Works. I've had Calabasas, or is it Calabas? That one, mixed with High Contrast Warm, mixed with Sunset Boulevard, mixed with, like I've literally, if you actually look at this hair extension wall and all the different shades. So I feel like I've definitely had Honey Blonde at one point. Probably haven't had these, they look a bit too dark for me. Oh, Caramelized, I haven't had that. I've definitely had Scandinavian Blonde at one point. Calabas, I've definitely had that before. As you can see, I feel like I've probably had this one. This one is familiar. High Contrast Warm, yeah, I've had that one before. And then obviously there's Rami Cachet as well. I haven't actually gone for them, but I've had really amazing things. But anyway, what I was saying is that I really do change, and I feel like I do get a lot of questions on my hair, so I feel like this might help. And as for what I actually asked for from Natalie to get my hair done, I don't really know. I feel like I get so many questions like, what do you ask for? Like, what do you do? And to be honest, it really depends. And I feel like Natalie normally tells me like what she thinks. Like yesterday, so funny. Yesterday morning, she messaged me and she said, we're literally the most late notice people ever. Obviously, Beauty Works next day delivery, which is amazing. It means I can just get my hair, literally order it the day before. And she messaged me yesterday morning like, I had a dream about you. And I was like, what did you dream about? And she was like, I had a dream that you had this colour that I've got in now, that I'm putting in now. And I was like, you are literally crazy. And she was like, I think this is a sign. So we just ordered 3 packets, next day delivery. So that's sort of how it works. Like sometimes I look blonder than normal, sometimes I look a bit darker. I'm loving the ashy vibe recently. I feel like ash just is a vibe. I don't really want brassy tones anymore. I'm over it. I want ashy vibe. So that's what we're going for. How cute. So I actually had French put in, and I'm loving. I mean, like, they did them a bit thicker than I normally would have, but so nice. And I feel like this has made me realise I love French. I feel like you just can't go wrong with French. I might file them down a little bit so they're a bit more like that. But anyway, now it's just the waiting game. I think Natalie actually had an operation. So this is the first day back, and I don't even think she was supposed to be back today. I think she was literally going to come back in 2 days' time, and she just had to quickly fit me in. Angel, because I'm going skiing in literally 2 days' time. So yeah. I love people watching. On to the topic of hair. Do you girls not feel like to get your hair done, you have to leave like a whole day? It is literally a whole day task. But anyway, I will wait until Natalie comes. Bye. So guys, I have not spoken to you in a while now, but Natalie's back for starters. And we are just curling my hair, doing the finishing touches, and then we're going to be doing, well, I'm halfway through a TikTok transition actually, so I'm going to finish that. Natalie's doing an Instagram reel. I will put her Instagram here as well. But yeah, loving the colour, loving this ashy vibe. I'm actually going to order some purple shampoo as well, because I feel like I do need some purple shampoo
to maintain the ash.
Yeah, obviously I need to get, this is also really, really important actually. You need to get shampoo and conditioner without sulfate in it. I have learned that because before hair extensions, I used to literally wash my hair with whatever, and that is really bad. So yeah, I look a bit crazy at the moment. Obviously we need to brush out the curls, but we will do that in a minute. So guys, I'm back now from my hair appointment. I was actually there for such a long day. I think I was there for, it must have been about 6 hours in the end. But you know what? I had a full head of colour. I got my extensions taken out, new ones put in. It was a good day. So thank you, Natalie. And yeah, so I just thought I needed to do this video because so many people ask about my hair, and I feel like I actually haven't done a YouTube video on my hair. So as you guys all know, I used Beauty Wax today. This isn't an ad at all. It's not even gifted hair. This is just literally me saying this. By the way, just in case you guys might think I'm saying this, you know, if I'm getting paid or whatever. I just have always just used Beauty Wax ever since getting my hair done, like hair extension wise. But yeah, no, I'm finding them really well. I'm lucky enough to maybe get my hair replaced. Well, I like to keep my hair fresh. I'm still learning on how to actually keep my hair for as long as possible. Obviously use the right shampoo and conditioner, look after it, try not to put too much heat on it. I've heard with extensions, obviously you're supposed to like, I think actually it's good to plait them, keep them not tangled, and obviously get them refitted as much, not as much as you can, but obviously don't leave it too long because otherwise they could mat as well, which I know can happen. It hasn't happened to me, but I know has happened to other people. So I hope you guys all found this really useful. I feel like I haven't even done a Q&A on my hair really on Instagram, and whenever I do a Q&A, most of it is about my hair, which is just crazy. But lots of people ask what I actually get. I mean, at the start, if you watched me on Love Island, I had a balayage. Now it's a bit more higher, but I always like to have a really ashy look, which is hard to keep up if you don't have purple shampoo, etc. So I would definitely invest in some of that if you want a more ashy look, and make sure to ask your hairdresser for that as well. And yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure to smash a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Comment down below what you would like to see from me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.